Yeah, bottle of water. I didn't need a whole pool. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Honey, I'm home.
Wait.
Broski, did you really just... Yeah. Oh, me. Dang it. Oh. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Woo! You're cooked. Yeah. You have a hollow head for a reason. Don't say that. Yeah. You missed. You were saying... Boom. Oh my gosh. I should have under. Oh wow. Okay. How bad can I be? I'll just see. Man, I wish I had powers. I miss being a cat. What happened? Now what the dog doing? They ain't dogs. I forgot to open up. Oh man, nothing there. Let's see. I'm not becoming Spooderman today because I'm not the color red. That's the color. Ooh. Elastic band. I want to touch it. Yeah. You mother. Oh gosh. Oh no. When our dance. I begat. Rhything. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Get over here. I get my chance to review. Not happening. That was us just now. Is it? Stop beatboxing. Well, at least mine's better than yours. Nah, yours sucks. What is yours? Dang. This reminds me of our first time meeting each other. Yeah. Do a flip. I should just Thanos snap you out of existence, but I don't got fingers. Yeah, Red ruined it in that one short. You're red. Makes sense. Never gonna leave you. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Okay, someone's intruded my base. I'm going to give you them. Oh God! Let me get my elastic band. Let me close your gate. And now let me put on my elastic band. You're cooked, buddy. Gotta go fast. I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked. Epic musak. Oh wow, look. Nah, I'm cooked. You bet. Oh, bam. Stop. Just stop. Never. This right. Unstoppable. I'm unstoppable today. I'm in. Wait. Look. What about Alan? I was just about to bring him back. My PC goes through so much that it sucks. No, I'ma just. Huh? Help! Probably nothing urgent, even though it says urgent message. Please, 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 please. Wait, is that the shoulder part? That's not the hole. That's where he came through. Please, please, please. Okay. He's in trouble. From yellow. Oh, wow. Wild orange in the dark wood. Please don't be hacked. Wait, why is my mouse moving? I'm not even touching it. Oh my god! Come on, yellow. Please, 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 please. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I can move. Thank you. I love you, yellow. Hey, yo! Okay. Thank you, Alan. Take this spooky. Burn! Don't burn. Oh, just a bug. Get over I can still speak underwater. Not fair! Not fair. Ready? Set? Bippity boppity. Thanks, Alan. I'm angry. What's so on? I don't like bigness. Except the Dark Lord. He sucks and he yaps too much. Did my mouse Alan, you're cooked. Okay. Spooler. Destroy TCL. Oh, destroy the TCO. Destroy. Oh crap, we're cooked. Come. Attack, Alan. Destroy. Pop. Ooh, it tingles. Oh no. Destroy. It tingles. And I can move. It tingles, but I can move. Get off! He's not becoming Spooderman today. Yeah. Destroy. Spooders, come here. Destroy. Man. I was having fun. Alan! I'm going to save him. He's my little Pokey Bear! Go! I raised stick figure. You suck. Wait, he didn't hear me. He's going up there. I'm not becoming Spooderman today. Hallelujah, I got you. I'm not becoming Spooderman. He's not becoming Spooderman today. I am. Wow. Well, let's go save our Pokey Bear. Wait, what? Get out the way! Yeah, even though you're me, you suck. I'm gonna come at you! Come here! Bam. Goodbye. I'ma say goodbye. Bye, Brett. You jerks! You emotionless son of a stick figure! I wish I was the trophy my friend. Bam. We were born in a fighting game. How is it? Oh my gosh. Get out the way. God. Dear God. Can't help because he's about to turn into Spoon. It tingles. It pink. Top 5 saddest deaths in anime. Yeah. I am what is this? Oh my god! Bang! Too bad he didn't become Spider-Man. Bye-bye. Okay. Destroy TCO. Destroy. Destroy TCO. You can do that with your voice. Okay. Let's see. Destroy the internet. Destroy the internet. Make sure everyone becomes Spider-Man. You thought I was steady? I'm not. Cause I am. You're not invisible. Bang! Aw, trust me, I am. I'm the second coming. Pookie Bear, come here. Pookie, come here. Mr. Rock wants to meet you. Wait, no. It's The Rock! Okay, bam. You're good, buddy. I have eyes. Boom! It's the Headless Horseman. I love explosions. They're so cool. But yeah, the bad Pookie's defeated. Everyone can come out now. The second coming is the best. Yeah. But I must use my epic coding skills. What's this? They're coding everywhere. What's this? I'm turning back to life. What's this? I'm back to life. What about red? I'm back to wait. I'm back from the dead. I'm back to. Oh my gosh. I start to pass out. My head to flow. You have school tomorrow. He had school tomorrow. There won't be a tomorrow for him. How do you know if I'm alive or not? I don't know. He's up! Wait, what? What? Wait, you're actually here. Are you okay, this must be a dream. You're actually here. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I'm crying now. Come here. Now's my chance to confess. The second coming, I bow down. What? You be my Pookie Bear? No. What? Alan's my Pookie. Sayonara. Bye, Felicia. The best of the rest, my Pookie. Bye.